Okay, guys, it is now 6:45 on Tuesday the 24th. Just making another update. I posted my Australian dollar CPI review earlier and was suggesting that it would be negative for the Aussie. There's a little bit of conflict in this particular forecast here, so I wanted to make this as a revision because I don't want anybody coming back saying, well, you said it was going to be negative for the Aussie. Of course, you should never be making a trading decision based on anything I say, but there's a little bit of a conflict here. So I'm on the Euro Aussie, and this is the 30-minute chart, but you can see it around the 1 hour. And again, I have this label as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, there's potential here that this move right here was actually the wave 3. From here, maybe there's a 2 in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now this right here that's setting up is an ABC correction. And so let me just label this. There's a possibility that this is an ABC, and if this is an ABC, then we'll spike down and maybe hit this area right here and then shoot back up. So that would be negative for the Aussie. But again, as I said earlier, we could see maybe a headline, a headline negative or a headline positive, have a pair like this go down and then turn. But on the other hand, if we go to the Aussie dollar, the Aussie dollar looks like it wants to try to end a trend here. So this one actually kind of is kicking around here like it wants to go up. Kind of see we're forming a little bit of a bottom here. Now I have this red line drawn in here as a potential for the end of this trend. So that could, still play out. Again, that would fit in with the Euro Aussie. If the Aussie turns negative, this will keep going down, and I would expect it would at least come back to here. And this is a 4-hour chart, so that would be about 45 pips. Not a big move, but so it's a little bit of a conflict here. Aussie yen, this either could turn back down or this could be the end of a correction. We could turn back up again. Let's see what else we got here. Aussie Swiss is kind of a mess. This is the hourly chart. Here's the 12-hour chart. Here's the daily. To me, this looks pretty negative. Like this could just roll over. This is a correction up. The news comes out, and this starts heading down. So, but it is a little bit of a con. Let's look at the pound Aussie really quick. Pound Aussie, now again, so this is another place where there's a conflict. If my labeling is correct here, then this would mean that this is going to head back down. But it's possible that the trend is actually 1, 2, 3. This was actually the 4 here. And now we've ended the trend. Now we're heading back up. Alright, so basically what I'm looking at is this price action right here and this here. This could have been the trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to go up for at least potentially a wave C, if not a further uptrend. So if this candle is somewhere, anywhere in this general area where the crosshairs are when the news comes out, I would be looking to go long on the pound Aussie for at least, let's measure this wave up. That's 40 pips. I'd be looking to go up, at least 40 pips, maybe back to this high. So we'll see. It's not real clear. This isn't one that I'm super confident about. I do still think it'll be in the end will be negative for the Aussie, but it could there could be a headline uptick, and then it turns down. So we'll see how it goes. We've got under 2 hours to go, and but I just wanted to tell you, if you're watching this, just be cautious. this might be one that you kind of let the news come out and then decide where to get in, instead of getting in ahead of time, which, you know, I try to get in ahead of time because you get the best fill and the lowest spread. But if I'm not sure, I may, you know, trade out of it and just wait. I mean, you don't get a great fill that way because the market's going to move pretty fast, but it saves you, you know, it saves you issues with being completely wrong and having a big loss. So anyways, guys, so that's it. Good luck. Again, make your own decisions. Don't do anything based on what I'm telling you. But be cautious, and good luck. We'll talk to everybody soon.